everybody? This is Solomon from Bulletproof Dog Training here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and today our newest 50-day board and train, Meeka. Hi, girl. Good girl. Meeka is about a year old. Dad brought her in because she loves pulling and she loves jumping on people. So he kind of just wants that manners and basic obedience. As you can see, she can sit. Hey, come in. Good girl. But before we start with the training, let's just see kind of command she knows. Meeka, can you come? Can you come? Come here, mama. Yes, good girl. Meeka, can you sit? Oh, yes, the good girl. Can you down? Can you down? Can you down? No, you can't down. Can you heel? Oh, the good girl. This way. Oh, this way. This way. Oh, God. Alrighty. As you can see, we got some work to do, but be sure to check back in 15 days for her amazing transformation. And thanks for choosing Bulletproof.